Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm switching my bags out. All weekend I've been using the Midnight Posy Encore tote, which I have loved. I love this bag. It's great, it holds a ton of stuff, but it desperately needs a wash. It's been on the floor of my car, it's been on the floor, it's had squashed grapes in it, crushed crackers and a water bottle leak. So it definitely needs a wash. So I'm moving into my Blackout Be Classy. And just for anyone that's interested, there's both of them kind of stood next to each other. The tote is definitely a little taller. There they are, side by side there. And I would say the tote holds a lot more because although it is a little structured, it's not as structured as the Classy. I just feel it definitely holds a lot more. I can squash a lot more stuff into the tote. And it's not as heavy to carry, which is a good thing. So yeah, there they are together. Not a really good comparison, I guess. It's kind of hard to see, but this one definitely does hold a lot more if anyone's curious. And I'm going to be washing it for the first time. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how well these ones wash up. So I'm moving into the Blackout Be Classy. And I decided that I was going to use Black Ruby and Black Magic with it today. So on the front mummy pocket I have my Doctor Who TARDIS fob from Fobs by Andrea. And in this mummy pocket I am just going to put the charger stuff for my phone, which is in a small Black Magic set piece. Kind of disappears into there because it's the same pattern. I have my Black Ruby coin purse with coins, and somewhere, oh here we go, I have a hand cream that I'm going to put in there as well. So I think that's all I'm going to put in there because I really don't like this pocket when it's all bulky. In the bottle pockets on the side, I am going to use these to put some little water bottles into because these water bottles are the perfect size for this. They're really easy to get in and out. So I'm going to put one in each side. I'm probably not going to put anything in this back change pad pocket right now. I may throw a couple of books in there later before we leave. So there's the inside of the bag. So I've got my large set piece in Black Ruby that has a wet bag, change clothes, that kind of stuff. I'm just going to sit right into the main part of the bag there. And then I have the medium set piece in Black Ruby. This is just got a whole bunch of like different snacks in there that I will sit into that mesh pocket at the back. And then I have the medium set piece in Black Magic, and this just has a little book and the twistable crayons in there, which I will put in that back mesh pocket like that. And then I also have the a custom piece in Black Ruby, and this is my little med kit. I love these little custom pieces for med kits, they're really great. So I'm going to put that into there as well. And then I have a small set piece, and this just has gum, hair ties, lip stuff, but just that kind of stuff that I don't want floating around in the bag, and I'll put that into that mesh pocket right there. And then I have all my leftover wipes that I'm just going to throw into the bag. I have a little wipe pouch with Kleenex in that I am also going to throw into there because we're going through this stuff like crazy. And then I have my Be Rich wallet. I haven't changed this out yet. I'm probably going to change it out to the Duchess. It just takes too long to do it on camera. That's why I haven't done it. But I'm going to put that kind of right into the corner there. I do prefer keeping my wallet in the main part of the bag because it's a lot easier to get in and out when you need it. But there is my Be Classy, and I love it with this Black Ruby. I think it looks great. To me it looks very Christmassy right now, although I use Black Ruby a lot in the summer and I thought it looked great, but right now to me with the whole blackout, I don't know, it just looks Christmassy to me, which I love. And yeah, so I've got tons of room on top here, so I can, you know, throw the kids' mitts and hats in there because it is snow here right now, so there's a little bit of room there. This bag does get heavy, so I don't like to overpack it, but it's not too bad right now. I mean, it's okay. You can use it with a messenger strap. It does come with one. I tend not to do that. I just use the tote straps. and it can be hung on a stroller, which is great. This bag is perfect for a stroller because it just sits there and you can leave it open and you can grab stuff out. It's really easy. So anyway, that's what I'm using today, and probably for the next few days. I'm patiently waiting for my Queen's Court and Night Rose stuff to come, and Snow Queen. We're in the middle of a postal strike right now, so I'm really not sure when they're going to arrive. I'm hoping it's going to be this week. But anyway, stay tuned for those, and yeah, thanks for watching.